Okay, so I'm trying to work on this NFT project. So let me go on general and honestly, let's do this. Let's do Alt D. Let's make a copy and kind of do something like this. And then let's just join these together. So let's do Control J and join them. So now they're one object. And so what I want to do at this point is I want to go and go to File and then export X3D extension. So File, export the last one. And then I'm going to save it as cubes. All right, and I'm going to go into desktop. I'm just going to leave it right there. I'm going to save it as cubes. I'm going to exit out of here. And then what I'm going to do is I did have already some pre-written code. Nope, wrong thing. No. What is going on? Okay, everything is all over the place. Okay, so here it is. So what I want to happen is I just want to grab this tag because that's what we're using here. We're using X3D. And so I'm going to see if it works on Replit because I do have it here. So what I'll do is I want this to be inside the NFT box because that's where the NFT is going to be displayed. And I'll just say, I'll actually upload the not the OBJ, the X3D file. So I'm going to go here and upload the file. And we're going to see if this actually works. So where is it? Cubes X3D. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the file path and just paste that right in here. All right, so run that and see if it works. No. Okay, so does this only work on, that is so irritating. Huh, copy link, but let's change. Or do we do this instead? It's not like I see it. Huh, so let's think about this. The width is 700 pixels, the height is 700 pixels. I'm telling it what it is. So, and maybe the CSS doesn't apply. Let's go ahead and let me just take this really quickly and just put it over here first and see if I go over here and create like a style tag. So a style tag, whoops, what is going on? Let's make sure this is over here. That's all I meant. All right, page is supposed to go up here. And let's see if this actually works because, sorry, I need this to work. Here it is. Did I just put it in the head tag? No, go down. I mean, go out. All right, something, are you kidding? Oh my God. Okay, something like this. And then I would actually just delete the whole thing here. Does it not work? That's so horrible. So I guess, it's definitely not working here. XML, encoding UTF, doc type, blah, blah, blah. Version 3, file name cubes, blah, blah, blah. Interesting. See, it does have a picture for it in it, so why doesn't it actually work? Hmm. Well, let's see if it works over here because it should. So let me actually go into, it's not what I want exactly. So let's go to File and I'll go to Desktop and then I'm pretty sure I'll just have to actually open up a new one. So I'll go to Desktop, Blender, Assets. Are we in Blender? No, wrong thing. Where are my projects? Projects, programming projects, June, NFT. Okay, so let's bring this over here and then let's try and see if it actually works this way. So if I go into cubes instead and I go save this and then I'll go live, let's see if I see it. And maybe it's just a Replit thing. Yep, it's right here. So we do see it. So I guess it is just the Replit thing, or maybe I didn't write it right. I don't know. What if I go and let me just try it one more time. So if I go in here and I just literally delete everything and I save this, will it work? Will it not work? And if I delete all the CSS, oh, for the love of God, what is going on? I can never, Here we go. Let's see. Interesting. It just doesn't work. No. So on Replit, it does not work. So let me actually go back and go back to how it was. So let's focus on this one then, I guess. So it does work in this case. Wrong thing. Where is it? What just happened? Okay, right here. So it works here, but my problem is I already tried this before, and the problem is that I literally, like, why is it so big? Like, that's just my problem. It's big, and like the textures, every time I apply the textures, it just doesn't work. So let's try and see something. So if I go here, make it like blue or something, right? You see it's blue. So if I save this, did I not save it? Okay, let's go File, export this file over here. Let's go to, again, projects, June, programming projects, June over here, and then save this instead as cubes over here. So export there. If I go and reload, see, it stays the same and it doesn't apply the texture. And I'm wondering why. Oh my god, just why? Because you see, if I go in appearance, it literally tells you the diffuse color, the specular color, the emissive color. It tells you material one, but it doesn't really tell you. It just gives me all of these, but not the actual. So maybe I need the specular color. Is that what I need? Because I do have, I know where that is. It's over here. Specular color, blue. So let's see if that works. Change this back to something like white and see if that would work better. So let's go to File and let's go to Export and then, oh, okay, File, are you kidding me? File, Export. Oh my, what is going, okay, really? Export. Okay, so we're gonna go here, export into that. Let's go and reload. See? Okay, this is great. So the specular color, oh my god. I mean, what? So this is the appearance, it's the material. What is this? I mean, but I don't see it though. Why? Like, why? Like, seriously, why? We have the emissive color, the ambient. Let's take a look at the documentation for this. So we have this over here, and then if we click on this, I have to figure this out. See, the material, the diffuse color. Where did I get the diffuse color? 100. All right, so apparently it's a diffuse color that actually does something. So let's see if I could find that in Blender. So where is the diffuse color? Oh my god. I don't see no diffuse color. It's not the base color. It's not like we can get. Is there a diffuse thing here? Nope. Principal BSDF. Diffuse BSDF? Diffuse BSDF. Change the color. Let's see if this works. So, no, I don't want to save. I want to go File, Export, X3D, Cubes. And then let's see. What if I 0.8 now? See, it still doesn't work. So irritating. What about the lighting? Because right now, if I move over here, I don't see the object. So let's try and do some lighting. So mesh, light area, GZ. Let's do 500 for the power. And then let's do 5 here. Let's do 10, and then let's do Shift D, RX90, and then have it over here. Oh, so we're not even in front of the end. And then do Shift D, RZ, like 90, so it's going to be over here. Whoops. And then Shift D, RZ 180. Oops, RZ 180. What is going RZ 180? There we go. So now it should be like on all sides. Oh, never mind the back. Let's take this one and do Shift DRZ 180 and then bring it over here. Okay, so now it should be light on all sides. Why do I keep clicking Control S? habit. Okay, export over here, change that over here. Hopefully, okay, so the lighting kind of applies, but it then, oh, we didn't do the bottom. So, okay, the lighting applies. I got the lighting right. Just don't know how to get the color. We'll figure this out. We will figure this out. So let's do this, right? So let's go and do Shift D and then just bring it down and then, wait, I'm so confused. Which direction are we going? X. So that's going to be 90. I'm gonna move this over here. So we have our studio here. Should be light in all aspects now. So if I go to File, Export here, Cubes. All right. All right, all right, all right. And it is working. So now we have a light cube. All right, so I figured out the lighting. Still can't figure out the color though. Oh God. Okay, so first of all, wait. The HTML looks wrong and weird. Why? Oh, okay. Okay. So the lighting works, color does not. I need to figure out what actually determines the color. Because if I go and take a look over here, we have all this going on and it doesn't really change. What if I change something? What if I changed? Okay, so over here in the documentation, it said 100 is red. So one, let's do 100. Would that change anything? No, it literally changes nothing. So what if I just say, if I go, oh my God. Oh my God. I think that, oh my God, do I have to upload the material? What if I just delete this? Huh. I am still so confused. What if I delete? Huh. All of this. And first of all, isn't it supposed to be lowercase m? Did I not even have a. You're joking. I didn't even close the tab. Why does this happen? Just why? Hold on. So M, first of all. Okay. Then we close it over here. Then we have a material and tag here. Not whatever this is. And then there was the death thing. It was called material. What was it again? What is going on? Oh, but you know what? No, because that's how this thing gives it to me. So why would I change it? Oh, this is not my HTML. I am literally so confused. I am so confused. So it says inline URL. Okay, that's if I do that there. But what if I. Huh. But the scene, the shape, the appearance. I am so confused. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. That's so weird. I could do a cube, but then what? Inline. Hold on. HTML block and inline elements. I mean, yes, but like, but what do you mean URL? Oh my God, that's not what I meant. Like, is there an actual inline tag? Hmm, what is that? Inline tag URL attribute. Yeah, no, that was. Let's go to u.com. Let's go into. Nope. Actually, it's right here. Let's go to chat. What the? I did not say that. Okay. What does this mean? Like, what is the actual URL? Where the inline node is being used to load external X3D content. The URL attribute specifies the location of the external. Hmm. Hmm. But why does the color of my X3D file not appear in the browser? but the lighting does. Hmm. One possibility is that the material used for the objects in your scene does not have the diffused color property set, which can affect how the colors are displayed. Another possibility is that the color information is being overridden by another node in your scene graph, such as a texture node. Additionally, depending on the X3D browser you are using, there may be settings related to color materials that affect the display of your scene. To troubleshoot this issue, you can try adjusting the material properties in your X3D file, checking the order of your scene graph nodes. Different. Okay. I'm using Blender. What can I do to the settings, whoops, to properly upload a blue cube to the browser using inline URL cubes dot 3D to the material settings. That's not useful material. Okay, so it says to properly upload a blue cube to the browser, you may want to ensure that are you kidding me? Oh my god. Cube object, go into materials property tab, setting the diffuse color to blue. It's not that easy. I already did that. It didn't work. It literally says if I go and click on the object, we have the diffuse BSDF. I don't think there's another one. Diffuse BSDF. What else? That's it. There's no other one. What if I go to render? I mean, because is it really rendering? I don't know. Is there color management? Huh. What about file? It's gonna work now. Nope. We're gonna figure this out. I am going to figure this out. Okay, let's do this. So, if I go into color management, filmic, none. Okay, what about shading? Let's go into the shading. And let's take a look at this. So let's see if there's anything called diffuse. I mean, there's literally only one thing called diffuse, and it's not giving right now. If I take, I mean, if I do, doesn't matter. But the volume, the roughness, nothing really matters. So if I do file, save that here again. Oh my god, you're kidding me, bro. It's not that hard. What if I use some other 3D software? Like, I don't really know what other 3D software. I mean, there's WAMP, there's Spline, and there's also Maya. I think I have CD. No, I think it's either Maya or CD4 that I have. Which one do I have? Oh, I have Maya. Alright, so let's go and select this and see if this works. If it's telling me to log in, are you kidding me? It's logged in. Let's go ahead and wait. And let me see if I can log in over here with Google. Oh, I guess I did a different account. This one. Okay, what's my occupation? Everything. Like I am a designer, developer, artist, creator, everything. I don't know. I think artist covers everything. What describes you best? Hobbyist. Next. No thanks. No thanks. Yes. Next. Okay, Twitter. Twitter. It's always Twitter. Oh my god, I love this. This is so hot. I mean, look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, like look. Interactive 3D, product design, AI tools, prototyping, AR, 3D animation, arts and illustration. I'm gonna cry. Ah, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna do interactive 3D though. Let's do this. Click on done. Oh my god, I really need to start learning Spline because I'm obsessed. I used to use it though. Let's do, and maybe later. Thank you. Let's do a new file. Let's see if I can do a cube here and see if I can get my life together. Your 3D journey starts here. First of all, I just want to see if it's available. It's available to export as. Oh my god, so beautiful. I can export into Three.js, the best thing ever. 3D formats. 3D formats. Are you kidding me? It doesn't even have OBJ. Yeah, so that's not happening. But you're telling me I can export as JS? Wow. Okay, well, obviously it ain't gonna work because it doesn't have a thing. So let's go here to Maya. Let's try Maya. So let's do new. Oh my god, I have not seen this ever. What is this? See, now I kind of appreciate the Blender cube because I have no idea how to start here. I mean, this is the only cube I see. Oh, okay. How do I go back? How do I move? Shift? No? Hello? Can we go back? Thank you. How? Where is the default object? I don't see default. Okay. Um, cube. Okay, there we go. There we go. How do I see the actual cube? What are the different views? What are all of these things? Rendering. What is this? Assign a new. What? Standard material. Yes, this is what I want. Okay. Where's the colors? Where are the colors? I don't see the colors. Okay, we're gonna do Control C. Can we do Control C, please? Nope. Okay. Shading? No, no, okay. View? No, okay. Can anybody help me? Black. Okay, wait, is this an actual? Good. Can I edit? Python? What the? Oh, how can I actually change the color? What is going on? I don't understand. I'm so confused. Very much confused. I don't know what to do. Help. No, okay. Help. Color. Okay, I guess we do. Fill the surface with a constant material. Okay. Color. Non-shader color? What is this and why can't I change the actual color? Oh my god, what is this? What is this? A paint selection tool? A lasso tool? Paint selection? Oh, what is this? What? Spotlight. Okay. Delete spotlight. Okay, backspace. How? Motion graphics? There's no way. Create end cloth from strip. Oh, whatever. How in the world? Ooh, I can do text. What's this? I'm so confused. Why is this so hard? It shouldn't be this hard. Poly modeling, sculpting. Whoa. Control Z. Poly modeling, curves. Oh, oh. Okay. If I select this, backspace, backspace. Delete. Delete. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Like, why? UV? No. Edit. Mesh. Mesh tools. Where are materials? Curves. Modify. Display. Modify. Mesh. Windows. Modeling editors. Animation. UI elements. General editors. Assets. Display. Tool settings. Where are you? Shading. Flat shade. Smooth shade. Red shade. Blue shade. Cat in the Hat. It knows all about that. I am literally losing it. What the heck is this? I don't even know how to. Wait, I can draw curves? Whoa. No way. I mean, I can do that in Blender, but this is also, it's hot. Like, it's just hot. What's the difference between this one and this one? Oh, I'm still confused. Extend curve. Whoa. That's cool. I'm still very much confused. They have different shapes. Okay, can someone just tell me how to. Oh, is this it? No, that's a camera. Okay, great. Lighting. Show. Oh my god, I just have to Google this. I don't have time for this. How to add material in Maya. What? Honey, what do you mean? Wait, what is it called? Hypershade? Windows. I don't see no hypershade. But I see shading, 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 hypershade. Hyper. You're ridiculous. Help search hypershade. Gotcha. Okay, now we're talking. So can I drag a certain color? Let's say, oh no, go back. So press tab to create a node. 3D textures, granite. Does that work? Hello? Hello? So confused. What is going, like, what can I, so confused. Rendering. How do I render? Edit, preferences, there's not a render button. Edit. Okay, this is ridiculous. File, export. I didn't even think to. I give up. Yeah, we're not doing. Oh, here it is. I still don't see it. Oh, you know what? It's no, still. I'm not doing this. I'm sticking with Blender. Okay, that was like a throwback, kind of like flashback of the terror that I had when learning Blender for the first time. Okay, I have no idea what to do here. So there must be something because if I go into shading, I have a background as a surface, diffuse BSDF. If I do that, wasn't I doing that? I'm so confused. For the cube, I'm so confused. Oh my god, I don't think I had it. I am so confused. Oh, but this is for the. Oh my god. Let me see if I can go and maybe get the world texture so that the lighting is different. So that's gonna be over here. Where is it gonna be actually? Um, um, I generally, okay, so here, here we go to environment. Oh, let's hold down. Anyway, we go to, that's wrong. The color, I'm so confused. I am so confused. Can we go back? There you go. So then color, we go to environment texture, and then we go to the world, and then we open up, well, an environment. So we're gonna open whatever, which one we want here. City, something. Oh, that's horrifying. Okay. Let's do this green one like we had and just open the green one. Okay. This one better? Doesn't really matter to me. You're joking. Okay, great. What is happening? Okay, let's see if this works for the love of God. Export, blah blah blah. Um, where is the page? I can't do this anymore. It just doesn't work. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I genuinely don't even know what to do. So, file, export, X3D. What are some settings here? So we have selection only, scale, apply modifiers, blah blah blah. Literally nothing else. Restore operator default. I don't even know. Selection only. I don't even know what this means. Well, this is horrible. Um, so like this changes either way. Hmm. Um. Hmm. What are H3D? Hmm. File. Wavefront. What if I just do this? Hmm. I'm gonna just have to study like the X3D like attributes and stuff because there must be something. Hmm. What the? Alright, so not the. Oh my god. How to include material in. How to include material in X3D file. Hmm. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so oh, this is a lot. Parent child constraints. Okay, so we have each shape node can contain a single geometry node or a single appearance node. Each appearance node can contain a single material or two-sided material node, field properties, or a single texture node. Interesting. So each texture node can contain and so on. Okay. So node repetition can be efficiently accomplished via def and USE. First def must precede any USE copies. Okay. Appearance node. So each shape contains a single geometry node along with a corresponding appearance node. So appearance is a container which may include a single material or two-sided node. So let's go and take a look at ours. So if I go to VS Code over here, go over here. Okay, this is stuff here. So honestly, wait. Don't save. Where is it? The background. The where is the oh, what about the material? I'm so confused. Oh, okay, right here. So what does it say? It says each shape, let's do control B. So each shape contains a single geometry node along with a corresponding appearance node. Appearance is a container which may include a single material and so on. Hmm. This close association makes assignment of rendering properties to geometry ambiguous. Repetition of values for visual consistency is easily blah blah blah. Huh. Hmm. Only has attributes for def or USE. Actual information geometry appearance is held by contained nodes. So diffuse color. So weird. Wait, what? Hold on. This must be messed up or something because let's go to file. Um Honestly, let me just start. So let's do mesh cube. Honestly, I don't know. I want to hold on file, edit, preferences, save and load. And I don't wanna oh, you're kidding me, bro. just gonna start a new one. So I'm not gonna save this. I'm just gonna go and create a new blend file just to have everything default. Okay, so general, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna move it over here. And we have this cube. So I'm gonna go to materials, and first thing I'm gonna go and do is go to material preview and then just give it a color and so on. All right. If I go and look at the preview, random walk. Thing really that I could change here. Viewport display. What if I change this to green? Let's see if that does anything. All right, so other than that, I'm gonna go and make sure that we have some lighting going up in here. So Shift A, light area, and then just change the power to 500. This to maybe 10. I do Shift D RX 90, Shift D RX, no, Z 180. Then we're doing Shift D RX, no, Z 90. And then we're moving it over here, and then Shift D RX 180. Bring it over here, and then one should be at the bottom as well. I think it's X, and then 90, and then just bring it down a little bit here. So everything is nice and symmetrical. I think we'll be able to see it over here in render mode if I can go and just. Well, let's just do this, right? What's today? 0, 6, 11, 20. 0, 6, 11, 23. Okay, so that's our cube. I'm gonna go and try this one more time. So file, I'm gonna export X3D, and actually go into here and just change it. Okay, so oh, oh my, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, all the glory to God. All the glory to God. I figured it out. Okay, so I found this viewport display and I changed the color. So this is interesting though. What if I want to be able to do a texture so I could only do like solid colors? So if I want to do pink, let's get rid of that. Let me bring this up here. So if I want to go and do pink, I can't. Interesting. So if I do reset to default value, let's do something like viewport display, maybe blue, and then I do file, export, oops, nope, file, export, X3D, go in here, it should be blue. Beautiful. Oh, and now it's, oh, now it's even transparent. Oh my God. Oh my God. I did it. That's so beautiful, actually. Wow. Wow. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. I did it. Oh my God. Oh my God. See, I knew if I just kept playing around with it and touching random buttons, something would have worked. Now, here's the problem though. Okay, the color works, but the problem is that what if I want textures and different types of things? I can't just have one base color, and it's not like I can actually take this and give it a texture because it doesn't even have one of these key things. So this is interesting. Um, I have no idea what to do. Okay. So let's see, custom properties. What is a custom property? What does it even mean? Nope, no thank you. Um, volume. Hmm. No. So it's like viewport display. What other things are there here that's viewport display? Render engine. Um, I'm trying to see like what else I can do here. Mm, light. So this is what? This is for view layer properties. Huh. Huh. And then what if I Oh, wait. Whoa. Bam. Shocked. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so I figured two things out, how to change the background color and also how to change the object color. The problem is, again, I can't depend on this because it's like I need something more. How in the world use node surface viewport display? So let's kind of do some research into here. So surface versus viewport display Blender. All right, so let me try something really quickly. If I go into solid view mode, okay, and then I go over here, texture, matcap, flat, what is even? Whoa, Jesus Christ. Okay, world, viewport, world, viewport, world. I don't even know anymore. Outline, no outline. Let me see if this does anything. So export. Oh, I mean, yeah, but like, how do I, how do I actually do textures? Like, what is this? Show the texture from the active image texture node using the active UV map coordinates. Active image texture node. Hmm. Image texture. Does this make any difference? No, it doesn't. Hmm. Hmm. Vector. Default mapping. Vector. Blah 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 blah. No. No, that's not what I want. I don't even know anymore. A matcap. All these different types of things, but they're not for the viewport. I need to deal with the viewport. This texture not even working. Doesn't even make sense. Material, theme, world, viewport. Why does the world work and not anything else? No.